Good morning. I see Ashley Simpson.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Ashley Marie Simpson in file number 22-00551. Ms. Simpson, today was the date set for a show cause hearing, and that is because you were here back on looks like you were here back on September 23rd for a previous show cause, and you were supposed to pay make a payment that following Monday on your balance. And you've not done that.
Okay.
What's going on?
Okay, that was my Wi-Fi. I can hear you now.
Okay, what parts did you not hear?
We left off at the show cause.
Okay, you were here previously for a show cause because you owe on a ticket. I mean, you owe fines and costs actually, and you haven't paid them. What's going on?
I paid off the rest of my tickets. I owe $125 on this last ticket. Just really been dragging.
And you were here on the 23rd for a show cause for the 125. You still haven't paid it.
Yes, I have. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, I have 80 that I can pay now over the phone.
Okay, when are you gonna pay the balance?
I can pay that on the 3rd. I get my check on the 3rd.
Okay,
and then I'll be done.
Make a payment of $80 today, and then you'll do the balance by the 3rd, okay?
Yes, ma'am. So the ticket altogether is $125, right?
Yep, you're at 125 right now.
Okay.
So what? How did we get the, how does that happen? Right there. Yeah, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I don't know how to. I need IT to come back because I can't get my emails on my phone anymore. That's not good. I'm about to be on call. That's good. Ever since they put that stupid duo stuff on there. It's on the Moto G Play.
Quinicia Hicks.
I don't understand what you're saying, ma'am.
You asked who's on the Moto G Play. My name is Quinicia Hicks.
Oh, Quinicia Hicks. You start your video, please. You need to speak to her?
No, I don't. We just need that adjourned so she can go apply for her license.
Okay, Ms. Hicks, your attorney is saying you need an adjournment so that you can go and apply for your license. So we'll get you a new date, okay?
Okay.
December 20th at 9:30.
Okay.
You have any questions, Ms. Hicks?
Is this other Zoom call?
Yes, it's by Zoom, but you're gonna need to get a better connection because you're muffled.
I'm at work. But okay.
Okay, sounds good, ma'am. Thank you. And we still need your fingerprints.
I already did it. I did it yesterday.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, you needed it for 2 different files. Let me see what they put it on. Let me just start updating it. But this is alerting me to tell them to get fingerprints, but they always tell me that they've already done.
I'm gonna talk to him.
Okay, you're all set with the fingerprints, ma'am.
Okay, so the
Thank
20th
you.
and the,
Yep, the date on this file will be the 20th at what time?
At 9:30.
9:30.
okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, Nolan Flint. You have an
Yes, ma'am.
attorney?
I was court appointed.
I wrote this report today. Let's see. What's that?
He was denied, Your Honor.
Okay, it appears you were denied court-appointed counsel because he's not indigent,
Yes, Your Honor.
because you're not indigent, sir.
Okay. At the pretrial, I did talk to a lawyer, but I don't. What?
I'm sorry?
I'm sorry. Are you there? I can't see you.
Yeah.
Okay.
see you.
Okay. I did talk to somebody, and he said that I should plead not guilty and then go out and get my dog license and get her vaccinated. So I did do that.
Okay,
and
hold on a
he's-
second. Hold on, let me stop you. Let me have
Sure.
the prosecutor meet with you privately and get your documentation then.
Okay.
Casey? All right, come on.
Mr. Flint, you should have received a request. I think he's frozen. Who's on the Joy tab 2?
That's me, Your Honor. I apologize. I'm still trying to get everything set up on my end. Marcus Johnson.
Okay. Thank you, because I say me is not a good way to identify yourself.
I'm sorry.
Marcus Johnson. Okay, I believe you were represented by Mrs. Donnelly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, she just went to go stop, I guess, address another client. When she's all set, I'll see if she needs to meet with you, okay?
Okay.
Why are you logging in? To give us some feedback?
Dismissal on the record.
Is he in the waiting breakout room?
Did not come out of the breakout room.
And I unlocked that door. We were going there with this.
Spread the word as much as I can. So they'll know they can clean up after themselves.
Very good. Okay, Mr. Flint, can you hear me?
I told him to mute himself when he came back. So
Can you unmute, please, sir?
Sorry.
Okay, we're on the record.
Yeah, I can hear you.
You're completely fine. We're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Nolan Dale Flint and file number 22-02329, council appearance.
Thank you, Your Honor. Randall Berman on behalf of the people. Your Honor, I had an opportunity to speak with Mr. Flint. He has proof that his dog is licensed. He's also going to send me a copy of that via email. At this time, people would move to dismiss his ticket, please.
Okay, the case is dismissed, sir. You're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, Ms. Donnelly has another plan. Donnelly, who you have with you?
I have Casey Page. We're setting it for a final pretrial.
We also have Marcus Johnson online.
Okay, I do need to speak with him in a breakout.
There's no offer on page.
Don't believe so. Check my email.
okay. There is a
She's
second.
she's incarcerated.
Oh.
She's in Huron Valley. You want to find her?
What? Couldn't get it.
Assault with intent to commit murder.
Oh,
We can take a motion to WHP.
we just give me a minute.
It's from, yeah, it's from 2017.
It's old.
This is, yeah, just give me a minute, Your Honor.
No worries.
Maybe we won't have to set that.
I'm sorry. What makes you think that? Oh, sounds good. Let me check my email today. The email is frozen.
What's that?
Jolly.
Nolly, who's the page? All right. Not really sure. What's your bar number again? 54381. Lowest one in the building. Floor expense. Approach on it since I'm already here.
Okay. This page, your case is being dismissed.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Sure, yeah.
Till 1:30 of 23.
And then.
2019. So you should not exceed 48 months. That's nice. No, that's right. Street justice case.
Morning. This is Mr. Little's father, Mr. Williams. He's here for the degree. I don't know if Mr. Little has been brought over though.
I was told he's in custody.
What's up?
Yeah, I was told he's in custody and Mr. Bigelow was just waiting for you to be available.
Okay, and I'm just waiting to be put in the breakout room with Mr. Johnson. That's.
Good, how are you?
Good morning. What's your name, sir?
Ernest Bush.
Okay.
Prepared. I think it's
Okay.
either strong.
Well, his attorney's not here, but I think it would be okay. Let's see here.
Oh.
Do you have an attorney right now? Check one.
Oh, nice.
Is this the one who was supposed to pay something?
Oh, money or paid track.
Huh?
No, it's like I said, money or paid track.
Okay, so- So, you know, be one funny one to ones to read today. They was picking on me on there.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, like,
My understanding was also a similar fraction involved that was already paid, so we're just dismissing the misdemeanor felonies.
okay, sounds good. Mr. Bush, your case is being dismissed, okay? So you're all set.
All right, so that's all I need.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Another person by the name of Benjamin tried to log in this morning and asked me to start the video, and I kept refusing. So, that's your email. I can't see the chat.
I see you, but listen, I'm done with some stuff.
That's what I was looking at. I was looking for the gauge. So. That's about the whole morning. Must have had about 100 kids last night come by our house.
You said what?
Must have had 100 kids come by our house last night. My kids in the.
Did he start his audio? Okay, I see someone identified as Benjamin.
Yes,
What's your full name, sir?
Benjamin Zabarinda.
Do you have a case number?
Yes, sure. Hold on, just yes or no, you're not your owner. My case number is 22 0267657, sir. Oh, sorry. No, actually, I'm the interpreter.
Interpreter, okay, thank you, Coach Madden.
For,
You're welcome.
Jackson.
You're welcome,
Joel.
Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
You're welcome, Your Honor.
Can you rename him?
Yeah.
Are you ready on Marcus Johnson?
I no, I don't.
Are you ready on Johnson?
Yes, yes, and it for final pretrial.
Mr. Johnson, your attorney says that you want a final pretrial and a jury trial date. Is there an offer?
No, you're right.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We can do final pretrial November 15th at 8 a.m. and jury trial November 22nd.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Johnson, your final pretrial is going to be November 15th at 8 o'clock in the morning in person at the court. Jury trial will be November 22nd at 8 a.m. also in person at the court, okay?
All right.
You have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you're all set. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Do you want us to go get Little?
Your Honor, I don't, there, all the rooms up here are taken, so I was planning on going down. Oh, which one? The jury room?
The jury room is on.
Okay, yeah, yes. Oh, that's what you were referring to earlier as being unlocked. They started locking it.
Yeah, because we have some people that.
Oh, okay. Oh, is that what he wants? I mean, yeah, it's definitely better than what, yeah. Aaron, just let me go talk to him. I'm gonna talk to Paige.
Mr. McConnell, hang on tight. Mrs. Donnelly's gonna log in and talk to you.
All right, sounds good.
Well, I'm already in, it's probably just gonna stay in my breakdown.
Yep, your room too. Okay. It's gotta be a joke, right?
Jury.
My email is not working. It's frozen. And I couldn't get into my phone email either. And it's all because of that stupid duo.
What did he have to do yesterday?
He ended up bringing up the QR code on my Chambers computer. This one was working yesterday, but now it's not. And then this morning, I tried to check my email from my phone, and it kept bringing up that duo thing, and I'm clicking okay, but it never. Yeah, this is a game. This is a game that we don't want to play.
I know
The week before I'm on call.
complaining. She was like, nobody asked me.
And I don't, it's stupid. It's dumb. How do we opt out?
Right.
I don't want to. They make you all do that duo stuff?
Yeah, you know, on a personal phone, you can't even write reports without logging into it, so. It's painful.
How do we opt out? What if we all band together? I'm not into it. I haven't been able to check my email a lot for like all
We
day.
can't work from home or anything without having the duo on our cell phone, which tells me that the county should be paying for my cell phone.
That's what my staff said yesterday. I said, oh,
You're gonna make me use my cell phone.
you gotta use you have to use your phone for work now? I'll play that. I mean, because FOIA laws change when you gotta use your phone. And no, FOIA laws change and you don't need,
Oh, I've had my texts for you.
Nope.
Expert,
not doing it.
yeah, it can happen.
I know. That's why I have a separate phone for work.
So I haven't asked how to get my work email.
I got my emails and my texts.
I can't even get this to close right now.
I asked her, what can you do? And I was like, no, I would have thought that.
I'm just texting them first thing. Well, I didn't know. There's a breakup. Just that.
Yeah, I get it. I think Bingo asked me, was I getting the messages? I don't have it. Am I getting it?
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. It's civil infraction.
No, I don't think so.
You can just do a form and just.
So now I have to go and get my phone every time. Oh, try to. This is
Yeah.
stupid.
Did you
You
download
need to
that?
cite, you need to
It's on my
cite for it.
phone.
Yeah, I think it's breaking.
See, mine's just work.
Six, seven, six,
Chat code.
Civil infraction.
Hold on while we register this device with your company. This
Yeah.
may take a moment. Okay, are we ready, Mr. McConnell?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor. He's not represented by our office, but he will accept the impeding traffic offer.
Is that on any particular file or does it matter?
It does not matter. It's 257-676B.
Okay, yeah, I just want to know if you wanted to go on either, but it doesn't matter. Okay. Okay, we're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Gage McConnell. I have two files, file number 22-01992ST and 22-409-4752. Council appearance.
Brian Ring on behalf of people practicing under Michigan Code Rule 8.120.
Okay, and then Mr. McConnell is present via Zoom without counsel. However, there's been an offer extended for you to plead or to accept responsibility to one count of impeding traffic, 0-point civil infraction. Would you want to accept that today, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Fine is $125. When can you make payment?
I crushed my hand at work. I'm trying to fight for occupational health at the moment. My boss is being quite a nuisance about it. I'm trying to get legal representation so I can sue him also for emotional distress. So I have no idea when I will be able to make a payment because I am off work. I need to go see a hand surgeon and all that other good stuff. So I honestly have no idea.
Oh,
Yeah, a lot has happened since I last saw you. It's been a really harsh road that I'm going down because I wasn't expecting it to go this way. I thought that, workman's comp would be an easy thing for someone who's owned a business for 10 years, but obviously it is not.
well, I'm sorry to hear that things are not going well, but I'm sure that they'll turn around at some point. I will note here that you're accepting responsibility to impeding traffic and that I'm going to refer it to collections and you can make a payment arrangement with them, okay?
Okay, sounds very good, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
No problem and good luck. You have a good one.
Thank you. You too. Bye.
Yeah, I had to bring you up.
Shit. We talked to you. You have a pass.
No, she declined an attorney.
Okay.
So
And then Mr. Lee.
yeah.
I did all that is someone helping me with my, yeah. What's his name, AJ? How do we get AJ here?
What email since then?
See, every time I try to check my email, it says can't get mail. And once you put my password in,
Got him?
and so when I go put my password
Oh, I
in,
need to talk to him first.
it brings up Duo. I validate it, and it just keeps doing the same thing over and over again. See what I'm saying?
You hit the up top, that notification that just came?
This one?
Yeah,
Yeah. And then watch, approved.
then go back.
Yeah. It's gonna do the same thing.
And it, that's mine.
Yeah, it's gonna keep doing the same thing. It's just a cycle of abuse that I want to get out of. Okay, I don't want this. I opt out. And that's that. I don't understand what happened to my internet. Yeah, it's not there. This is so ridiculous. I had a browser open and it's not even open anymore.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. I have a status update for one of our cases that is supposed to be called this morning. Would you like me to provide that to you now, or do you want me to wait until you call for it?
Okay, which case is it?
This is for Dustin Wells. Case number
Wells
2.
appearing?
I'm sorry.
Is he appearing today? Is he appearing today?
No, I got a call from CMH this morning. He is in the process of being transferred to an inpatient hospitalization. When I spoke with his mom yesterday, she said that he had reported to Sparrow's ER for emergency treatment. And then CMH called me this morning and says that he's being hospitalized and being placed for inpatient treatment. Not sure when he will be released or what his status will be at this point.
I'll note that in the file and I'll reset it 45 days out.
Okay.
December 20th at 10.
November 20th at 10 a.m.
December 20th.
Oh, December 20th at 10 a.m.
Yep.
Yes, yes, ma'am. That sounds great. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
All right.
On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus James Little, file number 22-02632, council appearance.
Brian Ring on behalf of the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Sarah Donnelly on behalf of defendant James Little, who is present and sitting to my right.
Okay, and today is the date scheduled for a pretrial, and then there is also a PA 53 contempt that needs to be addressed. How are we proceeding today, council?
Your Honor, at this time, the city or the state has offered to have the PA 53 dismissed. If Mr. Little would plead as charged, there'll be an upfront, there'll be a killaboo agreement, and there'll be a stipulation to restitution. And at this time, Mr. Little wants to accept that offer.
Well, contempt is violation of court order.
Yes, it's
People
not
can't
really,
dismiss that.
yeah, exactly. Your Honor.
So what's the offer? From the
I have
plea-
actually-
Killebrew?
Killebrew, yeah, in the restitution, Your Honor. This is Mr. Little, the alleged victim, and this is his father. So
Oh, I thought he was here.
he was here, yeah.
Okay. He wants to accept that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Could you complete the advice of rights, please? So he's pleading to the original charge.
Yes, it's malicious destruction of property or 200, yes.
Mr. Roy, you asked me about messenger. Yeah, I can't get into anything. Oh wait, I might be away. So yeah, hold up. Let me check. You got? Thanks. Did you get a message from me? Yeah. So if that works, I still can't get in my email. Report. You don't call that for me already?
Wow. She said a date.
Mhm.
Here,
Mhm.
when
Can
you
you
come,
get your
no,
notes book here?
here.
You okay?
Yeah, because I don't know.
Yeah, okay. All right. Is it 607? Is that still the one? I know that's the one. What about 89? No. Go ahead and sign here. He's homeless. Do you want me to put an address down or just put homeless? Yeah, I know. He won't have, even if I put down an address, it's not gonna get to him, so.
It's homeless.
Yeah. But there's a phone number. Okay. We discussed that with you. You want to assist on it?
Yeah.
Take that risk.
Yeah, I mean, it would be hard for me to pay.
I know, you want me-
But you-
I know.
Me,
Well,
yeah.
What did you say? You gotta be there, man?
You know, it's a blessing. No blessing.
Blessings, is that? Is that-
I know, I have a warrant, you know, go to court. So you take care of it.
that's gonna be pretty. Oh, I need to wait. Hold on. Let me sign it first.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Little, I have an advice of rights of the information sheet here. It has today's date on it. Is that your signature on that page?
Yes.
Not sure?
No, yes,
Oh,
I'm asking
okay.
her, man, I've been robbed and by judges.
You've been robbed by judges?
Yeah. I have my
Okay, well, I
life
can
taken
assure you
away.
I'm not gonna rob you, okay?
Alright.
I just want to know if you signed this,
Yeah,
okay?
yeah.
Okay, and so you understand the rights here?
Yeah.
And do you have any questions about these rights?
No.
Okay, so you understand that you have the right in this matter to proceed to a trial, and you can have a jury trial, or you can have a non-jury trial. You understand that?
Yep.
You understand that at the time of trial, you have the right to the presumption of innocence. You have the right to be innocent until proven guilty. You have the right to have the prosecution meet their burden of bringing enough evidence to prove each element of the charge that's being brought against you, and they have to prove each element beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to see, hear, or question any witness the prosecution intends to call. You have the right to call your own witnesses or present evidence that you believe would further a defense. You have the right to remain silent at trial and not have silence be used against you. You understand all those rights?
Yes.
And you wish to give up all of them today to plead guilty to the charge?
Yes.
Okay, you're sure about that? Nope, nope, we know she's sure. Are
No,
you sure?
I was gonna ask my attorney, man, I've been,
Yeah, but it's not, she can't waive the right, you have to waive.
yeah, I know, but I gotta ask my attorney first.
Okay,
Doesn't wanna
did
do
you
the
want to
wrong
have a
thing.
trial?
Yeah, don't want to
Do you want to have a trial?
I want to do wrong.
You don't want to have a trial.
No, you do not? You have to talk to me.
No.
Okay. And so are you pleading guilty because you believe you are guilty?
Yes.
Okay, you need to look at me. Okay? Anybody threatening you to get you to plead guilty?
No.
Was there any promises made to you? Oh, well, you thinking about the threat?
Hmm?
You sure no one threatened you?
No.
Oh, okay. Any promises made to you if you plead guilty today?
No.
Okay. Are you currently on probation or parole?
No.
Okay, what's he being held on?
Your Honor, he is serving out a 93-day contempt for failure to pay in Clinton County. So he'll be released on November 15th. This month.
Oh, sounds good. So, Mr. Little, you understand that a conviction in this case could result in having an impact on any immigration status you may be seeking? Like if you wanted to go visit Canada, you understand that this could affect it?
Yes.
You understand that a guilty plea could also result in a conviction that you may need to put on a future job application, or you may need to report it to your current employer if you have one. You understand that? And you still want to waive your rights and plead guilty today? Okay. As to count one, malicious destruction of personal property less than $200. How do you plead, sir? On a factual basis.
Thank you, Your Honor. All right, Mr. Little, on or about September 28th of this year, 2022, were you at 510 South Magnolia Avenue in the city of Lansing, County, state of Michigan?
Yes.
And while there, did you willfully and maliciously destroy or injure a headlight belonging to your father, Percy Williams?
Yes.
And do you dispute that the amount of the destruction of the injury was less than 200?
Yes.
Or you, well, that would, you don't dispute.
No, I don't.
Your Honor, I have no further questions.
Any questions from the prosecution?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied with the factual basis. I also will accept your plea. I find your plea to be made freely, voluntarily, and intelligently. You said there was restitution in this matter?
Yes, Your Honor, there was, and we might have an amount, but we don't have the proofs yet. And I do understand that there should be an opportunity made to the alleged victim for.
The victim's no longer here?
They were.
You're correct, Your Honor. He's no longer here. He wasn't needed for the PA 53 violation. I don't know why he was here, Your Honor, so I had to let him go.
Is it subpoena?
He did actually show a subpoena.
Yeah, I called it off last night, and I don't know if he just didn't call the hotline or I called it off. I called him off yesterday because the officer that I needed I just needed one officer because I didn't need that for the bond violation.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, we'll set it for a hearing for sentencing. November 15th at 8:30. The days you get it out of that too?
November 15th.
Yeah. Do it before. Yeah, let's do it before. I'm not afraid.
Maybe try next week.
Yeah.
He'll be here.
November 8th at 8:30. And I'm not going to refer him to probation. He's in custody anyways, right? Okay, sounds good. And as to the PA 53, that will be dismissed. Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing from the people, Your Honor. Thank you.
Not for defense, thank you, Your Honor. Yeah, when we get to sentencing, yeah, we'll talk. It's pretty not.
In November 8th.
But you're not gonna, you should be coming over here before you close. November, you should be here.
And they would come back.
They're gonna come and get you.
On November 8th, right?
November 7th too, remember you
Oh,
gotta come
on
here
the
on
7th.
Monday. for your city cases.
All right, you be here. Too?
Yep. Jackson, yeah, the interpreter is on. Oh, yeah, there is something. So we'll have to go into a breakout.
So, who's on the Rebel V Plus 5G? Ma'am,
Yes,
what's your name?
Jasmine James.
Jasmine James.
It's a movie or something?
No.
A reset for November 7th at 9:30. Your matter's been reset for November 7th at 9:30 because it's a city case and today's a state day, okay, Ms. James? You're muted. You have to unmute to say something.
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
There's Ariana Mask. Does she have an attorney?
She declined, Your Honor.
Okay. Ariana Mask?
Yes,
Okay. Did you hire an attorney to represent you?
I did not.
Okay. Are you, I see some smoke. Is something on fire?
No, I have incense.
Oh, okay. We're gonna put the prosecutor in the room with you so that you can discuss this case, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Looks like he just responded.
Thanks.
Because it's technically just a bond.
on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Ariana Lynn Mass. File numbers 22-02669 and 02670. Council Simmons.
Brian Ring on behalf of the people.
And today was the date that was set for pre-trial. Ms. Mass is proceeding today without counsel. My understanding is that we're moving to dismiss both files. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor. Ms. Mass has both dogs licensed and vaccinated, and was able to show me proof that both dogs were licensed and vaccinated.
Very good. Okay, these matters will be dismissed. Okay, Ms. Mass? Can you hear me? Is she muted? You're muted.
Gotcha. Okay.
You're all
But-
set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem. What's the interpreter's name? Do you know her name?
I don't know, actually.
Can the interpreter start his video?
Excuse me?
Can you start your video so we can see you?
So unfortunately, my computer dropped down, so my camera looks very dark, and I do apologize.
What is your name?
Benjamin Zabarinda.
Spell that.
Nzabarinda. Zabarinda.
On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Noel Jackson or Jackson Noel.
Jackson Noel.
Okay, Jackson Noel, file number is 22-02657. SM counsel appearance.
Brian Ring on behalf of the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Sarah Donnelly on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Jackson Noel, who is present and standing to my right.
Today's the date that was set for a pretrial. We have a interpreter who is logged in. I can't see if you're raising your right hand, but I need you to raise your right hand. And let me know when it's raised. Benjamin, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, please.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. What did I just ask you to do?
Wakubwiye ngo uzamure ukuboko.
No, what did I ask you to do?
Right now?
I asked you to raise your right hand.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Do you solemnly swear and affirm that you will interpret in the matter now before the court completely and accurately and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor. I swear.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Today's the date that was set for pretrial. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, at this time, I don't believe there's any offers. We'd be requesting it be set for a final pretrial and jury trial.
Can you hear us, Benjamin?
Yes, yes, please.
Okay.
I can hear
Do
you.
you know how
Yeah,
to,
yeah.
do you know how to interpret in court?
Yes.
Okay, well, we paused so that you can interpret, but you didn't say anything.
Oh, very sorry, Your Honor. Maybe I was absent-minded a bit. I apologize, Your Honor.
Want me to do it again?
Yes.
Your Honor, at this time, there is no offer from the state. We'd be requesting it be set for a final pretrial and jury trial.
Ubu ngubu urabwirwa yuko nta burenganzira ufite bwo kuba wagumana n'umufasha wawe. Yes.
Pretrial will be November 15th at 8 o'clock in the morning. That'll be in person at the court. Are you going to interpret that?
Urubanza rwawe rwimuriwe. This is the interpreter. The next appointment is November 15th, if I go to well.
Can you translate that into Kinyarwanda?
Urubanza rwawe rwimuriwe kuri tariki 15 z'uku kwezi kwa 11.
Okay, nta kibazo nabonye.
Yeah, that's fine. Gotcha. I got it.
Okay, I'm ordering that the interpreter must appear in person as well as Mr. Noel, okay? If the interpreter doesn't appear in person, I'm not proceeding.
Warimo kukurikira neza. Arimo avuga gahunda y'urubanza igihe ruzakomereza nayikubwiye kandi nawe wabibonye.
There's gonna be a jury trial set for December 6th at 8 o'clock in the morning, also in person at the court.
N'isango ryo mu kwa 12 itariki 6. That's fine, I got it.
Okay, do you have any questions?
Hari ikibazo ufite?
Ikibazo sinavuga no kuvuga ngo yakoze.
Only I thank you.
Okay, we're all set, thank you.
Nawe urakoze.
Okay, nta kibazo.
Ms. Glasgow, we've been sworn in.
Your Honor, I don't know why Ms. Glasgow didn't appear this morning. I had direct contact with her. Is it possible if I can get her here this afternoon? I'll just call her at lunch or when I get back out of here and see what happened. I don't know why she's not here.
I'm not sure either, but we got a pretty full afternoon. I see we have multiple PD arraignments and then
Yeah.
hearings. Let me see, are there are multiple cases, the same people.
With Darren Clark, I was gonna ask about that because I emailed the court back on the 11th. You said you wanted to dismiss those violations, but I didn't know if there's a new violation or Darren Clark. But that might not be, he should be at a life recovery program. So that should.
Is that what this violations for?
No, the violations were for committing probably new offenses or something, just not looking into it. I don't know what the violations were, but it wasn't related to why he's in custody, why he's in a life recovery program.
Okay, you say you said that, the court announced to dismiss what, the violation?
Yeah, when he pled, so he was the one with the Utah, he stole a woman's car at Speedway. He got picked up in, was it Livingston or Calhoun? Because their plan was to give him into a life recovery, like a treatment, basically. And you're like, well, if you get into treatment, I'll just withdraw the violations. So I emailed the court on the 11th because he was supposed to go on treatment on the 10th. I did confirm that he did go to life recovery program from Calhoun County. It's a 12-month program. I can double check and see if he's still there and he didn't check out. But yeah, it was set. I think you set it for a probation violation hearing this afternoon. Oh, I think that's what we set it for. I don't think there's any.
Okay, we'll look into that and then they're free to go, correct?
Yeah, you guys are good to go. Yeah. Yeah. November 15th. And I will email you the discovery.
And the interpreter is free to go as well.
I'll get an interpreter to ring you for us at phone conversation. Oh, probation. You want to-
Either, but it
hold
should
on
go
just a
anytime
second.
you get that kind of email has to go in the file.